In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Jira ticket history for 5 projects. If you've been working with Jira, you know how crucial it is to keep track of the changes made to issues across your projects. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to efficiently manage and track these changes while providing a comprehensive view of the issue history in your Jira instance. So let's dive right in and make sure we have everything we need. The first thing you need to do is confirm that the issue history application is installed in your Jira environment. This tool is essential because it allows seamless access to comprehensive logs of all the changes made to your Jira issues, making it easier to track and manage your project's status. Once you've confirmed that, head over to the left panel in your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Filters and then select Search Issues. Doing this will present you with a list of issues from all your projects within Jira. Now, with that list in front of you, we can start organizing it to fit our tracking needs. In the search panel that appears, switch to the basic search view if it's not already selected. This will provide a straightforward interface for filtering down the list. Click on the project drop-down menu and carefully select the projects you're interested in. Ensure you include all 5 projects you want to track. After selecting your projects, it's time to save this setup for future use. Click on the Save Filter option. You'll be prompted to give your filter a name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named it, click Save. This filter will now help you streamline the process whenever you need to access this specific view again. Next, open the Issue History application from your apps list. This step will enable you to leverage the power of your new filter within the issue history. In the interface that appears, look for the Select Issues By drop-down menu and choose the Filter option from the list. From the drop-down, find and select the filter you just created. This links your saved search parameters with the Issue History tool, pulling in your specific project's data. Now, to refine your view, click on the Updated By drop-down and select a specific user. This step allows you to zero in on the issues updated by that particular user across all the projects you've filtered. Upon completing these steps, you will have a comprehensive view of all the issues handled by the user across all your selected projects. This setup is beneficial for tracking accountability and understanding the flow of work within your teams. I hope these instructions help you effectively track and manage your project histories in Jira. Keep exploring and refining your Jira setup to suit your project management needs better. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.